Okay, we're looking at Excel skill 1.12 and 1.13. We're looking at adding borders and shading. So what I have here is just to mock up a little spreadsheet of some data that I put in there. It doesn't look too bad, but really some borders would really help this make this look a lot nicer. So basically, to add a border, you select the cells that you'd like to put a border on. Now maybe if I put a bottom border under these totals, that would look nice. Here on the font tab, I have the border button. I can click on that, and there's a whole list of borders that I can add. So I'm going to add a bottom border. Click out of there. You can see there's a bottom border on that. Maybe we want to put a top and bottom border here around the totals. To do that, again, I'd select the one I want. I can see top, bottom border. Maybe I want a double, or top and double bottom border. Looks kind of good. Click on that. You can see there we have some more totals. Then we can add some shading in too. To do that, go ahead, it's just the same way. Select the cell that you want shaded. Up here in the fill color, let me just double check to see. Yeah, the fill color. There's a number of different ways you can add shading, but if I click on that, I can select the shading that I want. Maybe this sort of bluish color looks good there, and then maybe add a lighter gray to the totals, and you can see how it starts to look a lot nicer. One more thing you can do, you can add borders to a range like we saw there, but if you right click on a cell or a set of cells you have and go to Format Cells, you can see here that some of the options of the tabs you have here, remember we saw the formatting of the numbers before, but we also have border and fill here. And so what I can do is I can put a border around it. I can select the width of my border and where it goes. Do I want it outline or outside, inside? I can even add a fill in there. Maybe just a light green or something. Hit OK, and it's going to apply to all of those. And you can just see how adding borders and shadings can really make your data look a lot nicer and easier to view. Your code word for this lesson is going to be, nope, that was last time, fun, F-U-N.